Guys, Jordan Crates on here. Today I'm in my dad's shop, as you can see, and today I'm going to be taking this air compressor, spinning this, and it sounds like, I'm just going to say, sounds like a siren going off. Okay? Here we go. Ready? Don't mind the noise. Let's see how long it spins for. Okay guys, it's still spinning. Wow. It's almost been like 5 minutes. Just kidding. It's only been like 3 seconds. Holy crap. Like, I'll even show you the top view. May cause hypnosis. You see it just warping. That's why I'm going to show you warping. It's really cool, right? Do not attempt this at home unless you have an air compressor. Like, it's still spinning. I'll even show you. That was the rock from that fidget spinner. Okay, you ready? Okay. I'm gonna wait till it hits 2 minutes, and then I'm just gonna start blowing. I'm gonna blow for 1 minute straight.